Hello, everyone. I'm going to talk about the work life balance and what tips and tricks you can use to be more productive and happier while working from home. I've been talking about this topic in this complete video series, and today I'm going to talk about that while working, how can you be more mindful about your work and you create a balance between your work and personal life. Point number one, have a dedicated time for your lunch as well as your tea breaks. And make sure you're spending this time with your family, with your kids, your spouse. And this time is dedicated to them, where you are only talking about your personal life along with enjoying your meal or tea or snacks. This way, they will not be disturbing you while you're working. And since they know that this particular time period is when you will be with them, they'll always spark their questions or their stories to discuss during the lunch or tea time. And moreover, this will increase the bonding with the family members. Point number two, have a different window for all your personal work, including your Facebooks and LinkedIn and WhatsApp, so that you don't get distracted with them while working around the kind of a work that you're doing on your laptop. You don't go to that window, which ideally distracts you and attracts you towards spending more time on social networks. Point number three, most of the smartphones today they have a work life balance feature, and if your phone doesn't have that, then download an apps. There are so many apps. What they do is they actually don't uh, provide you the notifications about all these WhatsApp messages or Facebook messages, which are otherwise very distractive. So in that ways, you can be um, you can concentrate more on your work and towards the things that you're doing from your professional life. So these three hacks: one, having a dedicated lunch or tea time with family; second, having a separate window for all your personal work; and third, using a work-life balance apps on your mobile phone will actually help you become more productive while being at work. I'll be talking about many more hacks and tips and tricks, and these all are proved by science in my coming videos. This is Rajat Khatri. I'm a certified happiness coach and Amazon bestseller author, and as well as I am also in that leadership position in a reputed organization. And therefore, I know how important it is to create a balance between your work and personal life. Please subscribe to my channel or follow me and get notified for all my upcoming videos. You have a great day.